Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the Earth? What mysteries might be hidden beneath the grass, the soil, the rocks and water, deep down into the heart of our planet? Today we delve into the depths of the Earth's core, a place no human has ever seen but is central to our existence. To understand the Earth's core, imagine peeling an orange. The Earth, like the orange, is divided into layers. The outermost layer, the one we live on, is the crust. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, and at the very heart of our planet, you'll find the core. The core itself is divided into two parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core, made primarily of liquid iron and nickel, is about 2,200 kilometers thick. This molten metal swirls and moves, creating the Earth's magnetic field which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Dive deeper, and you'll reach the inner core. Here, the pressures are so intense that, despite the scorching temperatures, the iron and nickel exist in a solid state. The inner core is smaller than the outer core, with a radius of about 1,200 kilometers, roughly the distance from New York to Chicago. The Earth's core is not just a ball of molten metal and rock. It's a dynamic, complex part of our planet that plays a crucial role in making Earth habitable. The outer core's movement creates our magnetic field, shielding us from the sun's harmful radiation. The inner core, despite its intense heat and pressure, remains solid, helping to stabilize the Earth's axis of rotation. So, to summarize, the Earth's core consists of two main parts: the outer core, which is made of liquid iron and nickel, and the inner core, which, despite the intense heat and pressure, is solid. The core plays a vital role in creating Earth's magnetic field and stabilizing its axis of rotation. While we may not see or feel the Earth's core in our day-to-day lives, it's always there, silently doing its job, keeping us safe and making life on Earth possible. So the next time you feel the ground beneath your feet, remember that there's a whole lot more going on beneath the surface. Deep in the heart of our planet, the core is hard at work, maintaining the conditions that allow us to live, learn, and grow. So, even though it's hidden beneath miles of rock and metal, the core is a fundamental part of our world. It's a reminder that there's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to understand about this incredible planet we call home.